All right. So, got to do the thing you don't want to do. Just pull a motor that you already put in.
I literally just put in the frickin' car.
Yep. Luckily, you haven't wired it and stuff. What's up, everybody? Welcome to like episode 4 of the Foxbody LS swap saga. Sam doesn't care about content. He's just back there putting a cage in his car. So, if this is your first time watching, there's episodes before this. We've got a Utah Highway Patrol Foxbody Mustang that was my father-in-law's first Highway Patrol car when he joined the Utah Highway Patrol way back in the day in the 80s. So it had a 351 in it previously, and before that it had a 5.0. This car is probably going to be a very fit 500 horsepower, which is the perfect amount of power. What in the ruckus? What were you cutting?
Trying to drop the cage, but it's hidden.
Oh.
So I'm just notching some crap.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if it's the right thing, but it's happening.
Who cares? Who cares if it's the right thing? It's the way to do it. Might not need to take the radiator out, but let's just take it out.
I'd rather not put a harmonic balancer size hole in the front of my brand new radiator.
You just did a bunch of work too. Not only like just got it. All right, the radiator has been removed and is now keeping the mop warm, or the duster. Okay, let's see.
Okay, on the oil pan.
Ooh. Wrench it. Mom, I'm doing it. Get the camera.
I think I have some left-handed trouble.
So this had a broken header bolt. So one of the bolts that holds the header on is broke off in there. And did it have a couple that were broke off?
2. I thought we got them all when we had the
Engine
engine
out?
apart, and I
Missed it.
yeah.
So
I got the other 2 out, and I thought those were the only 2, but
apparently we had 3.
4, so I got one more on that side.
Oh.
Get the f out of here.
Dude, I was like, I'm gonna film this, and if it doesn't work, it's not going in the video. It's going in the video.
Dude, hold on. Just stay there. Stay
Okay,
there for
yeah.
just a second. Viola.
Viola.
I know it's not Viola. I know it's Voila. It's a funny family inside joke.
I'm just not gonna put any of that in. No, just like
Oh, the inside joke?
Yeah, just gonna be like, no, we're done. Woo! Yeah. Dang, son. We're gonna try to recreate the magic on the other side.
Magic twice here, boys.
All right. Old man Brad is gonna get up from the floor, making all kinds of dad noises.
You sound just like that.
Yeah.
You're up chucking.
I was up chucking. Sam, can you believe that worked?
I'm shocked, actually.
Yeah, dude.
For it to be that easy.
I mean, it just came right out.
Yeah. I expected a couple tries.
Let's not get cocky. Oh.
This one's way deeper.
Oh.
Oh, drilling through it might have been the trick. Get a little more weld surface. Woo-hoo.
Sam, we did it. This is not a use your fingers deal.
No, that thing's hot as shit right now, son.
Also, we're not using that alternator, so don't worry, everybody.
Yeah, that's just a mock-up guy.
Well, I'm stoked as heck that you did that, dog. Look at that.
Dude, that's crazy. So, in the future, just gotta drill into the bolt so the weld has clean place to stick to and penetrate. And
It'll come out. First try.
yeah, first try.
First try. It only took one.
First try.
When we welded, or when we drilled into it, it took one.
But I did a pretty good job of drilling.
Oh yeah, you got all the way
into
through
that.
there. That's cool.
And I didn't get into the threads. So
Bueno.
like, that's cool.
Heck yeah, so you're gonna put it back in now? Ta-da!
Yo, dog was good in the hood, son.
Oh, good, brother.
Oh, just taking frickin' broken exhaust manifold bolts out of my head. My engine head and my actual head.
I feel like Frankenstein.